All right, we're out on the Cahaba River today. I'm going to submit some fish for the Cahaba River Fry-Down 2020. What I'm going to cook today is catfish, pan-fried, seasoned paprika, garlic, pepper, garlic salt. And I'm also going to do a peach bourbon reduction that we're going to use almost like a glaze or a sauce at the end. Put that over a bed of chorizo rice. All right, I've got 2 Chilton County peaches that I've chopped up, diced, left them in their own syrup, a little bit of chili powder. Gonna add a couple spoonfuls of brown sugar. There we go. I'm just gonna let that simmer and reduce while we're cooking the fish. Almost forgot the most important part, a little bit of bourbon. And we'll probably hit that again just before we take it off. All right, just a little ginger sesame marinated on top of the fish, then the garlic pepper, garlic salt, paprika. Okay, we got a bed of brown rice, seasoned, brown some chorizo mixed up in there. Good combination. I'm just gonna put our fish right here on top. And this is looking like we want it. And right before we pull that off, one more splash here. And there we go. Pan-fried catfish on a bed of rice with peach bourbon reduction. All right, this is the submission from the Amerex team. One more year in the books. Thanks everybody at the Cahaba River Fry-Down.